Hey guys, what's happening? Today we're gonna review the GoogleOne AI Premium plan. Right, the GoogleOne AI Premium plan, also called Google I Pro Premium, is getting a lot of buzz. But whether it's worth it depends a lot on who you are and what you expect. Here's a full breakdown. Okay, what is a GoogleOne AI Premium? Right. The GoogleOne AI Premium delivers 2 terabyte cloud storage, photos, Drive, Gmail, etc. Same as the non-AI Premium plan. On top of storage, you get AI-powered tools and features, right? Via Gemini's, Google's own large language or an AI model, and other assistants, right? Key AI perks: access to Gemini Advanced or Pro models for writing, research, summarization, coding, creative work, integration with Google apps like Google Docs, Gmail, Sheets, etc. for boosted productivity, right? Drafts, edit, ideation, tools for media creation, right? Video generation, image to video, AI-driven editing, AI-driven editing and generation, and allowed regions in features. Extra perks in storage and product ecosystem. Enhanced Google Photos editing, possibly store credits, device backup, and family sharing, depending on the plan. The price around $19 or $19.99 a month for 2 terabyte plus AI feature, right? So, where GoogleOne Premium can actually be worth it. If you match one or more of these user profiles, the plan might deliver real value. Heavy content creators, students, researchers, you write a lot of AI, you write a lot of documents, need summaries, brainstorming, outlines, creative writing, all that stuff, coding. Gemini's AI Plus Docs and Gmail integration can speed up work tremendously, right? People who use Google's ecosystem heavily, like Drive, Photos, Gmail, Docs. If you store tons of files of photos and you want 2 terabyte cloud space plus AI assisted productivity, it's a one-stop package. Media heavy creators, video and image editors. If you use AI generation, like for video or images, editing or creative tasks, the AI tools plus storage plus Dropbox like backup might offset the cost. Families or shared accounts. GoogleOne supports sharing with multiple people. So 2 terabyte for 5 users, cheap per person storage plus premium features. People who value convenience and automation. Instead of juggling multiple tools, cloud storage, writing assistant, media editing, you get unified suite in one subscription, right? So basically, if you don't meet those kind of criterias, then you should step back and not use GoogleOne or GoogleOne Premium. You just need modest storage or basic features. AI features are nice to have, but not vital to your research or anything else. Pricing jump can feel a little bit steep, right? You lose perks if you downgrade or cancel, right? Some users report issues when trying the AI trial. Maybe AI features aren't always necessary or may underdeliver, right? If you don't push the AI limits like heavy writing, editing, complex generation, those features become underutilized, making the cost harder to justify, right? So, as for real insight, right, from users and reviewers, they say I upgraded to AI Premium thinking I get more than storage, got better AI tools, but now I pay 3x more than 200 gigabyte plan for features I rarely use, right? Some users also say if you use Google apps heavily, great value. Docs plus Gemini equals insane productivity boost. Some reviewers on Reddit just on Reddit or Reddit style forums, there's a lot of complaints about lack of intermediate plan between 200 gigabyte and 2 terabyte. Many people feel 2 terabyte is overkill and 200 gigabyte insufficient, right? In short, for some it's productivity rocket, for others just an expensive storage. Okay, so is it worth it? If you want my opinion, yes, GoogleOne Premium can be worth it, right? But only if you actively use AI assisted writing, editing, research, heavy file photo storage, frequent Google app usage, or content creation. If you just want cloud space, you will get better value on lower tier like non-AI, right? Non-AI plans or other storage providers. In short, it's a tool, not just a storage. If you treat it like a storage only, overpriced. If you treat it like productivity AI suite plus cloud hub, it's gold. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.